Hello! Doc Bryce here. Our body is not broken, it's just recalibrating. Ginagawa lang ng ating katawan ang natural niya trabaho. Ito ay mag-survive at mag-adapt. Kaya pagka meron tayong inflammation, warning signal lang yan. So dapat nating i-address. Indigestion pag nagpe-perceive ng something may problem. Stress, ang body natin will adapt to stress. Toxin, ang katawan natin, lilinisin yan mga toxins na yan. Damaged cells, pinapalitan yan through autophagy. Doing fasting and high-intensity interval training, pagod, we need just to rest. Ang katawan natin are very resilient by design. Ang kailangan lang natin, baguhin natin ang ating mga kinakain. Our body is built to heal and to survive. Kaya, changing our lifestyle, do proper nutrition by doing low carb, fasting, active lifestyle.